Once upon a time there lived an old woman. Her name was Taal Taal. One day in the winter she decided to go to get some water.
I'll go to get some water. Oh dear, how slippery it is. When I was young, I loved gliding. Gonna do it now. Oh, I'm too old for it. Well, I'll lay a little, take a rest, stand up and go. Oh, I have frozen. Who can help me? Who are you?
I am the strongest and the mightiest ice.
Ice, if you don't let me go, you are the strongest one.
Yes, I am. It's surely me.
But if you are the strongest, why is sun melting you?
Well, yes, sun is stronger than me. Goodbye.
Sun, are you the strongest and the mightiest?
Yes, I am. I am the strongest and the mightiest one.
But if you are the strongest, why is cloud covering you?
It turns out that cloud is stronger than me.
Cloud, are you strong?
Of course I'm strong. I am that cloud in the sky, not the biggest one but the mightiest. If I wish, I'll make you all wet of rain.
Cloud, you are strong, but wind is blowing you, isn't he?
Wind, you are stronger. Goodbye, Taal Taal.
Wind, how do you think? Are you strong?
Yes, I'm the strongest.
Wind, but there is a higher mountain and she doesn't let you blow and you can do nothing with it.
Then, yes, mountain is strongest than me.
Mountain, are you the strongest?
Of course, I'm the strongest and the mightiest.
Maybe you are, but a little mouse is making holes in you, isn't she?
Well, little mouse seems to be stronger than me. Goodbye.
So, little mouse, do you think that you are the strongest and the mightiest?
You bet I'm the strongest in the world.
The strongest. As soon as dog gets you, you will be.
Let it be so. The dog is stronger and mightier than me.
Dog, are strong. Are you mighty?
Yes, my lady.
Well, my strongest and mightiest friend, you have to accept that there is a man who can do with you everything he wants.
Yes, my lady, I'm.
Well, my strongest and mightiest man, come and help your old lady to stand up.
Oh dear, come here, my strongest lady.